everyone, this is Tasha and welcome to this video. I have so many disclaimers to point out in this video that I'm thinking, let's just forget it, let's move on, why waste anybody's time and let anybody assume what you want to. Here is my story. I created this. Yes, I'm not a painter and definitely not a good one yet. I say yet because I do believe life takes you through lots of twists and turns, and one day maybe I could be interested in painting as a profession, but not yet. So this was easy, especially if you have a tad bit of patience and a lot of composure, and I will tell you why. Now, if you're someone who wants to dress up their house with some high quality paintings and don't mind investing in some time and effort instead of money and still be able to show off those walls of your house, keep on watching. Before I jump in and share with you my process, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you can be part of Tashian family and spend some quality time with me every week. Now let's jump in. I did not want to spend too much money, but I still wanted to style my walls with pretty hand-drawn paintings. So I went the cheaper way and ordered myself the paint by numbers kit from Amazon. Now these are available for throwaway prices and you can get one, two or even more to match the decor of your house. So once it is completed, you are satisfied that they fit well in the house. I have plain white walls across the house, and being in Canada and not really having that much sun around all the time can really make you want to invest in some sunny paintings with warm landscapes. Hence this. So this is a 14 by 18 inch canvas which retails for about $16. The kit suggests going from top to bottom or left to right or vice versa to finish the painting. But what I did was go by each number and try and finish one number and move on to the next. Now, if there were tiny sections of the number on the canvas, I would finish those sections and let it dry and then move on to the next. So if you see the canvas now, I'm sure you only see very little of white shade and a lot of the black shade that I've completed. Once the black and white was done, I started to complete on the other colors as well in order to start to bring out all the shades of the design. The paper copy of the numbered canvas is definitely very helpful, so don't go and throw that away, because if you have a chance where you color over the number first and you need to get back to that color or that section again, you wouldn't know what number it was only by looking at the colors, which is why you need this copy in order to really understand what color would go at what number. Now, if you ask me how long it takes to complete a painting, I would say it could go anywhere up to a couple of months, because if you're not a professional painter, this is going to require lots of patience and time. Getting into the nitty-gritties can be challenging and it definitely takes a month or two to finish if you are someone like me who's just painting on the weekends. Also, if you look closely for certain sections, because they are so minuscule, the font can get very small. So if you want to do it right, you may need to spend your time working with the edges very carefully. In this case, I wanted to share a pro tip that can really be helpful for you, which is use the thinnest brush for all the sections. So some sections will be good to go with the bigger brush, but if you wanted to get the corners clean, always use the thinnest brush and the end result would just be beautiful. But most importantly, enjoy the painting, since at least for me as a beginner, it was especially rewarding finishing it, and you almost get a sense of that achievement and some amount of maybe skill development in painting within those lines, and that too can take some amount of practice. So hope you like this video and my painting, and if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. But until then, you take care, love yourself, and stay special.